Welcome to Fast Marketing Strategies with Surfside PPC. Please subscribe if you're looking for more quick marketing tips. Today, what we're going to be going over is how to come up with competitive keyword gaps using the Google Keyword Planner based on really any type of business. So how to quickly come up with competitive keyword gaps for search engine optimization. Now, this could also work for pay-per-click advertising, but this video will focus on search engine optimization. So what I'm going to do is we're going to quickly go try to figure out what our top competitors are. So this works better when you have an established business that is already ranking for some keywords and you're trying to outrank some of your competitors. The example I'm going to be using today, I found a random AI video generation platform that I've never used and have really no familiarity with, but it's powtoon.com. So I took powtoon.com and basically went into the Google Keyword Planner, did a site search. So started with a website, Powtoon, use the entire website and get results. Keyword Planner can be accessed directly from your Google Ads account. And with it, what we're going to get is a bunch of different keyword ideas available. So all we want to do is come over here and download this keyword file as a CSV. So that's going to be what we're going to do first. Next, what we want to do is take powtoon.com and go over to Spyfu. You do not need a paid plan for this. You can use the free plan. Put powtoon.com directly into Spyfu and they will give you their top organic competitors. So what you can do with each of those organic competitors is come back over here to the Google Keyword Planner and basically just say, okay, we're going to go videoscribe.co, use the entire website, get results, and we're going to download that CSV file. They have 725 keyword ideas, so slightly more than Powtoon. Animaker.com. We can take that, use the entire website, get results. They have 2,700 keyword ideas, almost 2,800 keyword ideas. So they have a lot more that we can target. Take another one like invideo.io. Really what you want are the biggest competitors that are the closest to your business type because you're looking for other types of businesses that have a lot of keyword ideas. So using more and more of these, as long as you have similar features in your tool, could also give you ideas for, remove the background from an image, ton of average monthly searches. It's like, do we have that tool on our website? Why not create it? See if we can rank for it. So that's another thing that you can do as you're going through this entire process. But basically each competitor download their CSV file. Then all you're going to do is go to Claude and you're going to upload all three of those CSV files, and you're going to ask for keyword gaps. So I just did this in a recent video. If you've already watched that video, it is much longer. This is a quick, fast marketing strategies video. So my company is powtoon.com. Here is some information below. I attach my relevant Google keywords based on keyword research from the Keyword Planner. I also attach relevant keywords for two major competitors, VideoScribe and Animaker. Why don't you help me find keyword gaps that are ranking for I'm not? Please include search volume and bid data for the keyword gaps you can find. I also put more information down for some of the information from Powtoon's website. So just did a Command A, I think if you're on a Mac, copy, paste all that information into Claude. It'll just eventually give you more data overall. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay. And then basically what it came up with was these were our keyword gaps. So it was that quick to come up with a bunch of different keyword gaps and areas where we're not even really showing up or showing as relevant for these keywords. AI voice generator, text-to-speech voices. If we scroll all the way down here, they actually gave this to me very, very good file. There is a complete explanation here. So if I was working with them, I could basically say, here is where we really need to focus on AI voice, text-to-speech, animation software and tools. So where other competitors are doing much better, you could see powtoon.com is not ranking for these keywords, or at least Google does not consider them relevant for these keywords. So it's areas where they say, okay, let's start building out these pages and these tools and all of this information on our website to ensure that we can start ranking for these. And if you already do have things related to text to speech, which Powtoon does, then it's really, okay, we need to really expand all of the information we have related to text to speech. And that's where you can come right back over to the Keyword Planner and say, let's figure out everything we possibly can related to text to speech, how people are searching for it, so we can rank for this keyword. And ultimately, they're going to win if they build the best text to speech tool. I mean, that's ultimately the way to win, but just trying to find what are some of the best keywords we can target? Do we have a free text to voice, option, text to speech option yet? If not, maybe that's a way to get people in the door. So quick and easy way to find keyword gaps. Basically go right into Claude, upload those three files. Really, your prompts don't have to be perfect at this point. I mean, Claude is pretty good at it. If you want to do a reply and reprompt to get the actual information you need. The one thing Claude does at times is it does a little bit too much. I didn't even ask for this and it gave it to me, but I'm happy about it. The biggest thing that I think is useful about doing this is they categorize these keywords. So they basically gave me these main categories here. So I could go back to the client and not give them, here's 340 keywords that you want to rank for. It's like, no, here's the 5 categories that we want to improve upon. If we're going to start with AI voice and text to speech, then let's start there. There's a lot to do within that one category, and there's a whole lot of average monthly search volume they're missing out on. Now, if you want to take it a step further, if you get a paid plan to Claude, and what you can do is actually do the keyword research and go by top pages. So if I do powtoon.com, I can come up with all of their top pages that are getting the most organic traffic. You can see I just exported these. Export Powtoon, what's getting the most organic search traffic, and they have 1,200 rows here, and basically go through some of these competitors, see how many pages they have ranking with the most organic search traffic, what they actually have ranking for, and then you can go into Claude and let's do another prompt here. In this one, I uploaded top pages, top pages, top pages. This does require a paid plan, and I do recommend a Claude paid plan. It's the best $20 you'll ever spend. These are competitors' top pages. I am powtoon.com. I added my pages as well. Give me 25 high impact pages I should create. AI voice generator, AI subtitle generator, AI cartoon maker, AI presentation maker, even down to like InVideo alternative, Synthesia alternative. So this is a quick and easy way to find your keyword gaps, page gaps, areas where right now Animaker is getting 364 clicks a month for AI text animation maker that currently Powtoon is not getting. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching my video.